Hi, it's Angeline here. Do you have colored pencils and always wonder how to make the colors pop on your card? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it on some craft paper. I've already stamped this unique kit by Unity Stamp on some Strathmore tan paper. You could use any craft paper that you have. And I'm grabbing my Prisma colored pencils. Again, you can grab any colored pencils that you have as well. So here I'm just directly coloring onto the craft paper, and as you can see, the colors look more vibrant compared to if you color them on some plain white cardstock. So as you can see here, I'm just doing some simple, easy coloring. I guess anyone can try this at home, and I wasn't thinking much about what colors to blend and what colors will go well together because this kit is called unique. So I guess all of us are unique in our own ways, like these scarves and mittens. So here is my stamped images all cut out, and here I'm grabbing the Avery L wonky scallop frame. I've die cut it with some glitter foam here to create my frame for the mittens and scarf. So here I'm using some Aleene's tacky glue. You could use any glue that you have, and just gluing the frame down and also hiding the scarf behind the frame as though it is hanging from it. Then I'm going to pop up the mittens here to create some dimension using some foam adhesive tape. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!